Many who today are working for the people of Kenya as judges and judicial officers in different categories. Congratulations to the Court of Appeal judges. Congratulations to the Environment and Land Court judges that have been sworn in this afternoon. You have my very best wishes as you engage in your mandate and responsibilities as judges of or as judicial officers. Congratulations to you. My very best wishes as you serve the people of Kenya. As you are aware, there is huge expectation by the people of Kenya. I have had occasion to discuss some of the issues and priorities of the judiciary with Madam Chief Justice and the Chief Registrar. I am aware that there is need for us to support the judiciary, and in supporting the judiciary, we can not only dispense justice, make justice less complicated, more accessible. It is important that our judiciary operates at a maximum level. I am looking forward, as I committed myself yesterday, to supporting the judiciary so that the judiciary can discharge its mandate. It is important that we have an efficient, independent judiciary, and that is why when the Judiciary Fund was finally rolled into place in June 1st this year, it was not just a celebration by the judiciary, it was a celebration by the people of Kenya, because we know that way we can have a much more efficient judiciary and many more cases can be concluded in a timely manner. And with an efficient judiciary, we can unlock the potential, the social potential, the economic potential of our country. And therefore, I look forward to working with the judiciary as we take our country to the next level. We have challenges in the time taken for corruption, especially and commercial cases. I want to request the judiciary on behalf of the people of Kenya to support our administration in ensuring that corruption cases, commercial cases, land cases are adjudicated and concluded in a timely manner, because that way we can promote Kenya as a country that attracts investment. Investors can have more confidence in our country if we can dispense justice in a timely manner. So the other matters that I raised yesterday, the infrastructure that you require as a judiciary, we're going to work together within the limited resources that we have so that we can ensure that all arms of government are working in tandem. I want to assure you that my administration will respect the independence of the judiciary, will respect the independence of all the other institutions in a manner that makes them efficient to deliver on their respective mandates. We will promote dialogue between institutions and positive engagement so that we can all focus on how to take Kenya to a higher level. Whenever there are issues, there is always a mechanism for us to resolve whatever issues that may arise in the course of all of us discharging our separate mandates. And there is room in the Constitution for consultation and for engagement. And whenever there are issues, I am open to engagement and discussion and consultation for the better management of our country and for the efficient delivery of the mandate of each and every institution. We must deal firmly and decisively with impunity. Let me say this for the record, that Kenya can only be better if we become a country of the rule of law. Any other route leads to anarchy and confusion. So I ask all of us as Kenyans, we are all equal before the law and before our Constitution. And therefore, there must never be the case of the animal farm, where there are people who are more equal than others. We are all equal before the law. And if the rule of law is our benchmark, we can only succeed. So even as president, I have limitations, and I should respect those limitations. And all other arms of government have their limitations, and we must all live within the bounds of our mandate so that we can have a country that is based on the rule of law. Let me repeat again, it is the rule of law, not the rule of man. So that's the bare minimum that will make us a respected member of the international community and a society that is at peace with itself. So thank you very much. I do not wish to say more than that. I know the judges here have waited a bit longer than they should, but I think all that ends well is well. So asanteni sana, and may the good Lord bless you. Barikiwe sana. Asante.
Excellency, it's my humble request that the following photos be taken with the judges in the following order. Perhaps we can